Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a buy order on TradingView. Start by opening your TradingView chart. You'll find the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Click on it to expand. Next, connect your brokerage account. TradingView supports many popular brokers, making it easy to link your existing accounts. Once connected, ensure your account has sufficient funds for your desired trade. This initial setup takes just a few moments, preparing you for your first buy order. To place a market order, first select the Buy button on the trading panel. Then, choose Market from the Order Type drop-down menu. This means your order will execute immediately at the best available price. Input the exact number of shares or contracts you wish to purchase. Always double-check your quantity before confirming, as market orders execute very quickly. For more control, select Limit as your order type. This allows you to set a specific maximum price you are willing to pay for an asset. Enter your desired limit price. Your order will only execute if the market price reaches this level or lower. Then, specify the quantity of shares or contracts. Limit orders are excellent for precise entry points, helping you manage your risk and potential returns effectively. Beyond market and limit orders, TradingView offers advanced options like stop loss and take profit orders. These tools are crucial for managing risk and securing profits automatically. You can easily modify or cancel any pending orders directly from your chart with just a few clicks. The trading panel also provides a comprehensive view of your order history and trade performance, helping you analyze your strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.